Hi there, my name is Max, and I'm excited to introduce AI Webcam Effects extension to you. It is Chrome-based extension that help you to add cool video effects like custom virtual background, background blur, after framing, beautification, color correction, and much more. This extension enhances video communication, making it more professional, comfortable, and bring some fun during your meeting right in the browser. It seamlessly works with your favorite meeting platform and video recording tools. Let's see how it works in action, and I'm eagerly waiting for your feedback.